Di ba dalawa lang ang itlog? Sa akin po, 3 na. Tinatanong ko lang po sa inyo kung bakit parang magkaiba ang laki ng bayag ko. 2.38 na po ang gallbladder stone ko. Ask ko lang po kung inooperahan po ang Cystocil. Hello and welcome to this channel. Ako po ang inyong friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee. Ilan sa inyong katanungan na ipinadala sa akin ay sasagutin ko ngayon. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Mula kay Jendek Mendoza, Doc, may penile cancer po ang kapatid ko. May pag-asa po ba itong magamot? Una-una, dapat nating i-evaluate anong stage ang kanyang penile cancer, anong extent. Now, most of the time, or generally, ang penile cancer kasi, ang surgical treatment ay either partial penectomy or complete penectomy. So, it is very important para makita natin kung ano yung extent ng lesion at doon natin i-proceed ang ating surgical management. Okay? Mula kay Kuya J Vlog, tanong ko lang, Doc, kasi po, di ba dalawa lang ang itlog? Sa akin po, 3 na. Yung pangatlo po, parang may tubig. Ano po kaya ito? Probably your third accessory, seemingly yung sinasabi mong itlog, could be hydrocele. So maigi, Kuya J, ipa-ultrasound natin ang testicles mo, i-identify natin ang ikatlong itlog mo. Now, kung sakaling hydrocele siya, then we will go to a surgical procedure you call hydrocelectomy. Mula kay Abdila Mangakoy, Hi po Doc, itinatanong ko lang po sa inyo kung bakit parang magkaiba ang laki ng bayag ko. Ano po ang dapat kong gawin? You have to remember, you have bilateral testicles, no? They should be descended, and not always they are descending of the same gravity, so okay lang yan locally, na naturally and locally. Now, ang dapat nating intindihin is if there are abnormality, tenderness, or nodules that are noted in your testicles, that becomes abnormal and we need to check. So, how do we do, or how do we request your diagnostic ancillary? By requesting ultrasound of your testicles. Mula kay Marinel Basbas Bachiller, Hello po Doc, ask ko lang po kung inooperahan po ang Cystocil. Pag masakit talaga or hindi masakit, ganon. Sana po masagot ninyo. Sige, sasagutin ko na. Nice. Okay, your Cystocil kasi is operatively done. Okay, either you lift it by pelvic sling procedures, but we have to correct it. What is the extent of the herniation of your Cystocil, diba? May grading rin yan eh. So, kailangan makita natin yung paano natin gagawin para ma-reposition natin ang ating surgical position. So, ooperahan siya. So, huwag kayong matakot. It's a benign lesion. We just have to lift it up for surgical procedure. Okay. Mula kay Bel Angeles, Good day po, Doc. Tanong ko lang po sana kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng mild calicaceous. Salamat po in advance. Salamat din po. Mild calicaceous is partial fullness of your kidney secondary to infection or obstruction at the distal part of your ureter. So any of those things that are causing the anatomical structure obstruction will cause pelviocallictasia. Even simple acute infection that is ascending. So kailangan i-ultrasound natin ng kidney, ureter at bladder mo. Okay? Mula kay Nemle Laos, Doc, 2.38 na po ang gallbladder stone ko. Need na po ba itong i-opera? Oo, Nelme, mukhang malaki-laki na yan. Now, kung hopefully, wala pang obstruction, wala pang cholecystitis na sinasabi. Kasi pag may cholecystitis, may infection na yung gallbladder mo, mas delikado as mas mahirap, no? Paano po makakatulong ang spirulina? The only thing that spirulina can help you is to increase your stamina and increase your body resistance to any surgical procedure you will entertain in the future. At yan ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell. Post your question in the comment box below. Dahil dito sa aking channel na ngayon ay nasa operating theater ako ng HealthCube na napakaganda, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Muli ako po ang inyong friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee saying hello but never goodbye. Thank you for watching!